Hello everyone, I'm Tejas from Inclusive Energy. Today we'll be unboxing Smart Biogas device. So let's get into it. So first we open it up like this. It flaps out. And on top we have a 6-watt panel, solar panel. So let's open that. So this is the 6-watt solar panel. So this comes with 4-meter wire and a DC jack. There's also a mounting plate which can be used to attach here, and then subsequently it can be attached to a surface. We have two manuals with the Smart Biogas device, the installation manual and the end user manual. The installation manual has instructions for hardware installation and software registration, and the end user guide is a more basic maintenance and troubleshooting guide for your end users. This is called a Venturi. This goes into the biogas pipeline. This will be fitted there, and from here we'll be connecting it to the main device. This is a lithium-ion cell which will be powering up your device, and also this we can recharge this and we can use the device. This is an antenna and screws. So just open that. So the antenna is connected on the main device, which is required to connect the device to a 2G network, and the screws are used to secure the top cover to the enclosure of the device. In case we cannot use the solar panel to power up or charge the device, we also provide a DC adapter, the DC jack here, and we can use that as well. This is the main Smart Biogas device, and we'll be looking into more details about this and how to power it up and how to use it for your biogas applications in the next video. Let us look at some of the important components in a Smart Biogas device. This is the heart of the device, and this is called the Venturi. Here is where the gas will flow, and as you can see there are A, B, C engravings with sensor tubes which go into the device. First we'll have to remove these end caps. There are ABC engravings on this device and ABC engravings on the Venturi teeth. So we will connect the sensor tubes to the corresponding engravings. Ensure that the sensor tubes are overlapping the Venturi teeth completely and it's fitting firmly on the Venturi. So this is how we connect the sensor tubes to the Venturi. Now let's look what's inside the Smart Biogas device. So these two sensor tubes go into this one sensor, which is the differential sensor, which helps us measure the flow in the biogas pipeline. This is the this tube goes into the static pressure sensor, which measures the pressure in the biogas pipeline. Your Smart Biogas device comes with a global SIM if you have opted for it. If not, you will have to procure a local SIM. So to install the SIM, this is how it needs to go in, with the cross cut in this fashion, and we insert it in this slot like this. Right. So this is a lithium-ion battery, rechargeable type, 3.7 volt, and we will insert it here. It goes into the battery slot, and this may be charged with a solar panel or a AC/DC adapter jack, and this jack will go into this slot right here. So now that we have covered that, let's see what are the other parts here. So this is the GSM module and the SIM, which connects the device to the network, and these are the LED indications. So these three lights on top gives us the state of charge of the battery, and the bottommost light indicates the power status of the device. When it's on, it is solid green. The second light from the bottom indicates the network connectivity status of the device. So when it is solid green, that means the device is connected to the network. This is the antenna which goes on top of the device like this. We need to connect it here. This is required for the device to get connected to the network. Now this is the battery switch. So once we connect the battery switch, the device will power up. So let's see that. So once we connect the battery switch, all the LEDs blink once, and this is the GSM light which is blinking at 1 second interval, and it is searching for a network right now. Now that it's starting to blink flash faster, that means it is getting connected to a network. With that, the network LED as well is flashing rapidly along with it. So this is the time when the first data is being sent from the device to the server, and within a bit you will see that the network LED will also stabilize and turn into solid green.